Stop using Google the wrong way. This hidden trick is going to save you hours every single week. Are you tired of searching for something specific only to get a million results that have nothing to do with what you need? We've all been there, scrolling through pages and pages, wasting so much time. Well, here's what 99% of people don't know you can do. Instead of just typing marketing guide, try this. Type FileType PDF marketing guide. Look at this. Every single result is a direct link to a PDF file. No more digging through websites. You can do this for presentations with FileType, PPT, or spreadsheets with FileType:XLS. It's an absolute game changer. Imagine how much faster you can find documents for school or work. Try this out right now and let me know in the comments which Google hack you want me to reveal next.